Hey, welcome to lesson number 3. On this lesson we're going to be using a really fun tool called Liquify. You probably have used it already because it has been in Photoshop for a long time, but I'm still going to explain it as if you hadn't used it ever. So please make sure that you have a copy of this layer so that if we make some mistake, if we make some mistake on the retouching, we can always go back to how we were. So select this new layer and go to filter and select Liquify, which is right here. So Liquify is probably one of the most used Photoshop tools on retouch. Trust me when I say that all the models, images that you see on the internet, on the magazines, have come across this Liquify tool. Because this tool is really amazing because it lets you transform the image as you want. For example, if you take this tool, you can see that it has a lot of tools. One is the forward warp tool, and you can see what it does. If we zoom a little bit, you can push anything on the image to a side. Let's make it a little bigger, not so much. We can push the entire nose to a side, push anything to a side. You probably have seen this image that has been retouched with this to make fun of someone or anything. You have the poker tool, which allows you to shrink anything. You can see how I'm shrinking the eye, and you have the bloat tool, which lets you bloat anything on the image, like this. If you made a mistake, as I did right here, you can always select the reconstruct tool and make it big and place it on the parts that you want to fix, and you can see that it's going all the way back to the way it was on the beginning. If you want to make it a little faster, you can always select the restore all tool, which is right here. Select the restore all, and you can see that the image is back as the way it was. So what we're going to do is to make the lips a little bigger, make the nose a little smaller, make the eyes a little bigger too, and retouch a little of the ear. So let's grab the bloat tool and make it, let's see, around 800, and go to the part of the lips and just make a little click. You can see how the lips is getting a little bigger, and it's looking really nice. You can make it smaller, maybe like 400, and select only the lower lip and make it a little bigger so that it looks kind of like Angelina Jolie's lips. Of course, you have to be careful. You don't want to go crazy with this tool because it's going to look very weird if you do. But we can make them a little bigger. Yeah. Okay. Now let's pick the poker tool and let's leave it at 1000 and put the cursor on the nose tip and just make one click, 2, 3, and make a little click on this part so that it's a little smaller. Perfect. Now for the eyes, I want to make them a little bigger, so let's grab again our blow tool, make it, let's go to 1000 and just make one click and one click here. Perfect. Now grab the poker tool again and click a little on the ear, just a little bit. Don't go crazy with it. Finally, the blow tool, and let's make a little click on the cheekbones. Also in here. Perfect. And now let's take a look at the before and after. Click OK. It's gonna take a little bit to do it. Okay. Now let's turn off this layer and you can see how it changed. You can see that the nose was bigger, the lips were a little smaller, and the eyes were smaller. And you can see how we gave it a little nice touch, which makes the image look better now. It was a small change. We didn't want to change so much of it because it's a really nice image. She has a very nice features, so we didn't have to change so much of it. But I think we made it really clear that Liquify Tool is an amazing tool that you can use if you want to. Maybe you think you had some skin on your neck you wanted to lose. You can use the Liquify tool to remove that skin, to make it a little thinner, or maybe your nose looked too big on the image on any photo you took, so you wanted to use the Liquify tool to make it a little smaller. And there's tons of things to do with the Liquify tool. It's really an amazing and really fun tool to use. So now let's go to the part where we smooth the skin of this woman here, but that's going to be on the next lesson. See you in the next one.